Mastering Language Learning, Step-by-Step Guide for Effective Study Techniques. Hey language adventurers! Want to become a wizard in a new tongue? Zap through these super 5 steps to sprinkle some magic on your study routine and become a language learning superstar. Step 1. Dream big and start small. Chart your treasure map. Decide what speaking superpowers you want, chatting like a local or reading like a pro. Set mini quests and dance your way to each milestone. Every little win is a high five to your brain. Step 2. Time to tango with time. Make dates with your new language. Carve out special moments in your day just for you two. It's like making a playlist of daily jams, but every tune is a step toward fluency. Step 3. Mix it up like a language smoothie. Throw in everything. Snuggle up with a textbook, play tag with language apps, and serenade your ears with podcasts. A little bit of this and a little bit of that keeps your brain grooving and your skills sharp. Step 4. Practice makes perfect, and perfect is fun. Dive into the language pool every single day. Chat, eavesdrop, scribble, or sing. Even just a smidge of daily chit-chat with yourself can turn into a giant leap in language land. Step 5. The great loop-de-loop, turn on the rewind. Zip back through what you've learned. It's like your favorite chorus. The more you repeat, the better it sticks. Soon, you'll sing through conversations without missing a beat. Ready to level up in your language game? Strap on your boots, follow these Fab 5 steps, and become the hero in your language quest. And hey, if you've enjoyed this ride, hit that subscribe button for more brainy tips and tricks to keep your language learning journey as epic as it should be. Keep learning, keep shining, and most importantly, keep having oodles of fun with your new language. Let's roll studying machines.